In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a portfolio website using Wix 2026 step by step. We'll start by getting into your Wix account. Head to the Wix website and sign in. If you're brand new, create an account first so every change you make is saved automatically as you go. That way, you never lose your work while experimenting with layouts and content. Once you're in the main dashboard, look to the top left for the All Sites area. Open it, then choose Create New Site. Think of this as opening a fresh canvas, clean, distraction-free, and ready for your portfolio. When Wix asks how you want to set things up, choose Setup without chat. This keeps the first build focused on the essentials without extra widgets cluttering your editor. You can always add tools like live chat or other apps later once your core pages and visuals are in place. Next, define what you're building. Type portfolio and select it, then click continue. This matters because Wix tailors its recommendations, templates, page sections, and features specifically for showcasing creative work. You'll see options that make it easy to present projects, credits, and case studies with the right visual hierarchy. Now give your website a name. Use something clear and professional, like your name and specialty, or simply Design Portfolio. This title helps you identify the site in your dashboard and can appear in search results and browser tabs. Keep it concise, relevant, and easy to read so it supports your brand. Wix will then prompt you to pick core features. For a solid portfolio foundation, add a gallery and a contact form. The gallery is where you'll showcase your projects, images, videos, or even writing samples. Aim for high-quality visuals that load fast, compress files, and add short captions to give context. The contact form should be simple and inviting. Include only the fields you genuinely need and make sure submissions route to an email you check often so you never miss an opportunity. Click Continue to move into your site's dashboard. This is your control room. From here, pick a portfolio-friendly template and start customizing. Upload your media into the media library and organize it into folders by project or category. Set descriptive alt text for accessibility and better search visibility. Adjust colors, fonts, and spacing so everything reflects your personal style while staying readable. Keep your homepage clean with a strong intro, a featured selection of your best work, and a clear path to contact you. And that's it. You've set the foundation for a professional, focused Wix portfolio.